Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my solar lights here and I'm going to show you guys kind of what it comes with. So it comes with two sets of them, and it comes with the thing that holds it and then the spike itself on the bottom. So here it is. And so you just put the spike in there and then you just clip it on there, and then there we go. And so this is the light. So it comes with two of them like this, and it's pretty cool because they have all these different modes and it's super simple too. So I'm just gonna unravel these here. And so how it works is here are all the lights, and it comes with a whole bunch of them like this, okay? And then this, so you stomp it in the ground, you let it charge solar, and then once it becomes dark outside, it auto knows, and so you can turn it on. And for example, this is what they would do in the night. So I'm just covering it right here to show you guys. But this is kind of how it would go. Like, this is one of the modes. This is another mode, so it's just dimly lit. And then here's another one with them going back and forth. And then that one's going like that. So I'm gonna put them out here for you guys, and I'll come back at night here shortly to show you guys what they look like. And so I'm gonna plug it right here, put this in the ground, let the sun charge it up, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like at night. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you the lights and what they kind of look like at night. So that's them. And then I'll click, for example, it has different modes on it. So there's the still mode, the flashing one. There's that one too. So that's sweet. I like it. I think it's cool, and it really does well. The camera doesn't do it justice, but they're sweet looking at night. So I give it a thumbs up.